Hey guys, so um, I don't even know where to begin. So rain changed our plans. Originally, so much rain was not in the forecast for Quartzsite, and it ended up pouring. And yeah, my refrigerator died, my Jackery died. And there wasn't sun for solar. And now I know I need to get a little inverter, but I just threw my crap in here on this waterproof blanket when it was pouring this morning, and Winston and I came back up to the valley about 2 hours away where it's not raining. And it is warmer. So what I'm gonna do is all of my stuff is like muddy and gross, and I have to gather my thoughts, and but this is part of van life, right? Like, it's not all glamorous and just camping and outdoor adventures and these types of things. It's not always glamorous, so I just have to go through everything and clean it up. I'm gonna go to one of those big car washes with the vacuums and the towels and stuff, and that's what I'm gonna do to clean everything up. And then I'm going to replace my fridge with my Yeti, and then I'm gonna head back out in a couple days and be better prepared. I was ill prepared, and that's just what it comes down to. So this has been a learning experience for me. Let's see what my trunk looks like. I don't even know what's going on back here. Oh, there's my Reflectix. Okay, it's not too crazy back here. Do you guys like my little thing, Happy Campers Live Here? I got that at the San Diego KOA. I love that. So time to clean and get myself together and get my Yeti so I can pack that up and head back out. So thanks everybody. See you on the next video.